a 1997 Toyota Lite Ace. It has the 5K 1.8 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Lite Ace has 28,573 original miles. It has 2 back sliding doors and a rear hatch. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. As y'all can see, the lights do go away. Also, this vehicle comes in kilometers, not miles. The number that y'all are seeing down here, 45,985, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 28,573. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle.